Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. So after a long time I have picked up my phone and I've started vlogging. I'll be honest with you, part of the reason why I didn't vlog for a very long time is because being a human I was very slightly insecure about what I speak or what I how I would be perceived by a particular someone or a group of people. So that was kind of it, but then now I feel very comfortable, and in the end of the day this is just me speaking to a camera and making memories in general. This is just like speaking to any other person, and it took me a little longer to accept that. So I thought if I feel like whenever I feel like vlogging I would vlog, and let's start. सो यू माइट बी वंडरिंग, मैं ऐसे साउंड नहीं करती, मेरा गला ख़राब है 2 दिन से. So this is what I sound like right now, and it is the least flattering voice. But whatever. So it is currently 6:40 in the evening. It's 15th of August, Independence Day. Happy Independence Day everybody. And just to make myself feel better, I am wearing my new Urbanic PJs. And I have made myself Caesar salad. The recipe is on the channel, so if you want to check it out, go check it out. It's really tasty. I have been sipping on hot water because that is one way to heal yourself while you are a little sick. No worries, I don't have COVID. My oxygen is 99. Actually what had happened, मेरे कॉलेज के बाहर पे we get variety of juices like mosambbi juice, pomegranate and everything. So I usually don't eat ice with the juices, but then that day I was like क्या ही होगा, ठीक है बना दो. It's because मेरे पीछे भी और 2 लोग थे, so he put ice तीनों में, and then I was in a hurry, so I was like okay, give it to me, and I totally forgot I don't have good tolerance for ice. So that is the reason why I had it, and this is me. Oh, I'll tell you about my college posting. So since I'm a 3rd year dental student, we are posted in different departments. So my posting was my favorite posting, that is OMDR. In my OMDR posting I saw a very actually I'm very slightly bummed out about my last posting, which I had to miss it because I was really sick in the morning, and then I was on medications and stuff. So about my OMDR posting, that posting I swear to God is one of my favorite postings ever, and I'll tell you what I saw. If you are a dental student you would know it. So we saw a variety of cases, but one that really shocked me was amyloblastoma. So that is basically a benign neoplasm which is of odontogenic origin. Odontogenic origin meaning हमारे teeth form होते हैं जो tissues से, so वो tissue enamel नहीं form करके these form different set of tissues which come off as tumors in your oral cavity. That is the simplest explanation layman term में. Exactly ऐसा नहीं होता, but in general बता रही हूँ अगर आप का background नहीं है ये तो. So the patient was 26 years old. I remember him wearing a red t-shirt. Previously diagnosed, पर वो गलती से हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में आ गए थे, तो उनके लिए एक प्रोसीजर करना था. माइंड यू ही इज़ 26 एंड अमीलोब्लास्टोमा ही ये एज में होता है, बट आई डिडंट नो दैट आई वुड बी एबल टू सी द पेशेंट. सो हेमीमैंडिबुलेक्टमी करके एक प्रोसीजर है. हेमी मतलब हाफ, मैंडिबल मतलब ये बोन. सो वी हैव टू टेक दिस होल मी मतलब doctors will have to take the whole bone from here to here and then graft it from your tibia, which is your leg ka bone. So that is interesting. That was very interesting, and I felt bad for the patient, of course, it's because he's very young, and even if he were old I would have felt bad equally. So that was number 1. Number 2, so that was one amyloblastoma. I was very fascinated by the case and I felt bad for the patient. Number 2 was oral submucous fibrosis का पेशेंट थे वो, पर उनको ग्राफ्ट लगा था. ओरल सबम्यूकस फाइब्रोसिस क्या होता है? इट्स ए मतलब लॉन्ग टाइम इलनेस होती है जो कि तंबाकू खाने से होता है, चबाने से, रखने से, बीटल नट करके एक होता है, तो पान पे आप स्पाइसेस टोबैको वगैरह रखते हैं एंड देन आप चबाते हैं। तो उनका क्या हुआ था, ओरल सबम्यूकस फाइब्रोसिस में बेसिकली अगर आपको ये सारी आदतें हैं तो चांसेस है कि आप को ये कंडीशन हो सकती है। मतलब कि आपके जो ओरल म्यूकोसा, मतलब आपका इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ द माउथ होता है, तो उसमें कोलाजन करके एक सब्सटेंस है वो फॉर्म होने लगता है, जो कि आपके स्किन को टाइटन करता है, आपके म्यूकोसा को टाइटन करता है, जिससे आपको ना ही स्वॉलो करने होगा और ना ही आपको मुंह खोलने होगा। सो ये कंडीशन था उन पेशेंट को, मैं आपको लेमन टर्म्स में बता रही हूँ। एंड उनका ग्राफ्ट हुआ था, स्किन ग्राफ्ट हुआ था। मतलब कहीं से भी, मतलब कोई एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया, बॉडी का अपना ही बॉडी का एरिया यू आर सपोज टू पुट इन द स्किन सो दैट आपका आई थिंक एज फार एज आई अंडरस्टूड कि ज़्यादा माउथ ओपनिंग में वो हेल्प करेगा। सो उनका स्किन ग्राफ्ट हुआ था, पर उनका कंप्लेन क्या था कि जो स्किन ग्राफ्टेड है ना, तो उसमें बाल उग रहे हैं। सो यही कंप्लेन लेके जिस डॉक्टर ने, देयर इज़ अ प्रोफेसर इन द मैक्सिलोफेशियल डिपार्टमेंट, उन्होंने ही ऑपरेशन किया था। तो ही वाज सपोज टू बी सेंड देयर, बट जैसे कि OMDR में सब लोग पहले आते हैं एंड देन वी सेंड देम टू डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स, सो दैट वाज द थिंग। बट वी गॉट टू सी patient, it's very fascinating, it's pretty gross but it's pretty fascinating for somebody who's learning. So उनका ग्रोथ था, बाल उग रहे थे एंड देन हिज वाइफ टुक ट्रिमर्स और excuse me, scissors and used to cut the hair. So he is gonna go to the doctor and then he is gonna pluck the hair out, as far as my friend has told me, because she had seen a case, read about it. That is case number 2. एंड और एक पेशेंट थे जो कि उनका एज अराउंड 40 था एंड उनके सारे दांत लूज हो रहे थे, ऑलमोस्ट सारे दांत। इसको बोलते हैं जनरलाइज्ड पेरियोडोंटाइटिस। तो दैट वाज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग केस एंड आई वाज लाइक इन शॉक कि 40 एज में सारे दांत। आई वाज pretty shook कि ओ 40 के एज पे कैसे इनके सारे दांत गिर रहे हैं। और उसका रीजंस है, इट कुड बी जेनेटिक, ही कुड हैव डायबिटीज़, हाइपरटेंशन। सो दैट वाज प्रीटी इंटरेस्टिंग केस एंड आई विश आई वर वेल, and I so wish that I were well that day so that I would have came across more and more cases, because it is so interesting, and especially when you're learning those things and you actually seeing those people, it's a different feeling. ये हो गया मेरा नेक्स्ट पोस्टिंग पेरियोडोंटिक्स है। लेट्स सी वहाँ पे क्या होता है। वहाँ पे स्केलिंग की जाती है, तो उसका आई गिव अपडेट लेटर एंड लुक एट द इवनिंग। I might go down because I'll double mask obviously. It's because I can't stay at home the whole day. It makes me feel I don't like it. I want to go out. I'm like very outdoorsy like that. Not like people's person, but I have to like go out and just be out in nature, or like just be out. You understand what I mean, right? I don't want to like over exaggerate it. It doesn't feel weird actually to vlog after a long time. This was a very quick update on my life. Abhi ke liye. So we'll talk to you guys later. I'll keep on posting vlogs because turns out I like it. I really like it. I don't want to stop. No promises though, but I don't want to stop.